So looking at canción de cuna, let's first talk about the rhythm a little bit to give you a feel for it before you start working on it. We're in 6/8 time. You can think of each beat in the measure. Each measure has 2 beats, and that can be thought of as being divided into 3/8 notes. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And in this piece, really, any given beat is going to be one of 4 different rhythm patterns. So you either have, as you see in the first full measure, you have beats 1 and 3 within a beat. So 1, 3. And then sometimes you have with a combination of melodic notes and bass notes where it's just 1, 2, 3, as you see in the second full measure. And then the one to focus on for a moment is when you have a dotted 8th, 16th, and then another 8th. So that one, if you're dividing the beat into 3/8 notes, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The dotted 8th, 16th, so that 16th note comes in on the and of 2. So 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3. So you want to still be hearing 1, 2, 3 in your head, but the second beat is silent, and you feel the offbeat in beat 2. So 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So those are 3 of the rhythm patterns. The last one will be, if you look at the second line, last measure, you have 2/16 and a quarter. So that would be 1 and 2. So I'll play basically the first part with the metronome, and what I would do is listen along, make sure you're feeling where the beats are, the 2 beats in the measure, feeling the division of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and seeing if you can feel and identify the different rhythms. So also, we start on a pickup measure. So the way I would start when you're playing this is feel basically a full measure before and come in on the last 2/8 notes of the second beat. So that would be like this. So you would have 1, 2, 3, 1. So that's how you'd play that pickup measure. So I would recommend doing that. Even if you're not playing with a metronome, just feel those 2 beats, and then you start after the second beat. So here we go. I want to play the first full phrase. 1, 2, 3, 1. So I would listen to that a few times, try to feel where the pulse is as I'm doing, and then kind of plug that in when you start actually learning the notes and see if you can play that rhythm confidently.